5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every trial is a voyage of discovery in which truth is the quest. With this endeavor, we have ventured to adjudicate the lists based on admitted and undisputed facts. Right to good health and access to basic facilities of health is an important facet of right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution. Justice, which has to be social, cannot be limited only to subserve the interest of the affluent, the rich, and the empowered. The concept social justice, which the Constitution of India engrafted, consists of diverse principles essential for the orderly growth and development of personality of every citizen. Social justice is thus an integral part of justice in the generic sense. Justice is the genus of which social justice is one of its species. Social justice is a dynamic device to mitigate the sufferings of the poor, weak, tribals, and deprived sections of the society and to elevate them to the level of equality to live a life with dignity of person. Social justice is not a simple or single idea of a society but is an essential part of complex social change to relieve the poor, etc., from handicaps, penury, to award of distress, and to make their life livable for greater good of the society at large. In other words, the aim of social justice is to attain the substantial degree of social, economic, and political equality which is the legitimate expectation. Social security, just and human conditions of work and leisure to workman are part of his meaningful right to life and to achieve self-expression of his personality and to enjoy the life with dignity. The state should provide facilities and opportunities to enable them to reach at least minimum standards of health, economic security, and civilized living while sharing according to their capacity, social and cultural heritage. Shockingly, in the course of discovery of truth, we find the state to have breached its dharma of acting in public interest for the benefit of teeming millions living in the rural areas, but also not maintaining its neutrality in the accomplishment of the constitutional goals and determination of rights inter se private parties. The stand taken is both immoral and illegal. In fact, we find the department to have adopted a partisan approach, ensuring that the most marginalized and deprived ones are not benefited of the medical infrastructure and facilities in the rural parts of the state. Bihar is the most populated state of the country, having highest density of population ratio with a rural based demography comprising of remote rural and hilly areas with little bit of cosmopolitan culture or area. The healthcare facilities in the remote and difficult areas of the state, to say the least, are desirable also for want of posting of adequate doctors. As such, a constitutional court is duty bound to ensure that the benefits under and in terms of the Constitution are conferred upon those who rightly deserve, particularly when it would subserve public interest and promote public good and public cause.